Alright, so this is the Mountain Equipment Co-op. They call it an ultralight chair. Right off the bat, I know people are going to quibble about that. They're going to say, because it's 2 pounds, it's not ultralight. Whatever, it's a hell of a lot smaller and lighter than what I'm currently using on canoe trips, which is a full-size camping chair. So, we'll just open it up and see how it goes. So the frame, you can see already it's shock corded, which I like, so you don't have to figure out how it goes together. It just kind of all falls into place automatically. So we'll pop these all in, and that's all of them there. This is the X design. There's 2 different designs that I know of so far. There might be third designs too. And we'll compare them. The X design, so there's your frame is already together. It's on the ground. I'll take out the seat part. We see the logo tells you which end is up. Always the logo will be up, and hopefully this will go on there easily. It just slides into these spots here. You have to give the poles a little bit of a bend. It's the same as the other similar chairs. Give the poles a little bit of bend. It does go together easier than the one I was doing the other day. I'm not quite sure what that tab is for there. Oh, the last one takes some effort, but there it is. So now these will be the parts to watch over time, is how that wears, where the poles interface with the seat. We'll pop it on the ground and we'll give it the ultimate test. See how that feels. It's a good, comfortable chair. It's not one of the high back models. I don't really care about that. I didn't want the extra weight or the extra cost for the high back. This is great. I can sit by a campfire. I can sit back and relax. I like it so far. We'll report on it over time to see how it holds up.